Hey guys, I have this TSA approved lock and I'm about to pick it to show you how bad TSA is at approving locks. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. Here, I'm going to try to, okay, now you can see the keyhole just opened. So, I'm going to put it to 810. Then lock it again. As you can see, it's still at 810. I'm not even going to touch that side, In fact, let's go like this. Randomly go like this. This will prove to you 698. And 698. Now I'll pick it one last time, and it will be at custom number 000. And as you can see, I can't put it back. Impossible. And then you'll see that thing right there turn. And now let me pick it. Oh, I used the wrong side. There, okay. Let me get in front of the camera. See how now it's different? And you put it in, and then you twist it that way, and now it's like this. Still at 000. So that is how bad the TSA is.